Hey guys, this is Ganesh. Welcome back to Ganesh Jadhav Automation Studio.
Now we want to create a Cucumber with a Java project. So what exactly we have to do, guys? Simple. I need to click on this file option and I have to select on the new option, and then I need to click on this project option. Once this is done, I just need to give the name like Cucumber with Java project. Okay, this is the name basically I'm just giving. Once this is done, guys, here you can see I just selecting the language which is named as Java and build system which is named as a Maven. And once this is done, simple, I need to click on this create project. Once I'm clicking on this create project, here you can see, guys, my project is successfully created over here. You can see this is a Maven structure basically created over here. As I see main and test, this is the two folders basically created over here. Now what exactly we have to do, guys? Now we must need to add some dependencies in this pom.xml file if you want to use the what, guys, Cucumber basically in our framework. So what the dependency we have to add? So first of all, I must need to add the dependency for an Selenium Java, then Cucumber Java and Cucumber JUnit. These three dependencies basically I need to add. So for that, what exactly I'm trying to do, guys? Simple. I'm just navigating. What I'm navigating, guys, are Maven repository first. Okay. So here you can see I'm just creating the Maven repository. Suppose I'm just creating. First of all, I'm just going to add the dependencies of Selenium. So here you can see, guys, I'm just searching this dependency. Let me copy this dependency from here at 4.8.3 version and let me copy this thing. Once I'm done with this thing, guys, what exactly I'm trying to do is let me add our dependency where here. Okay. Now where is the pom.xml file? Here is the pom.xml file. Here I need to add one more tag which is named as a dependencies. Okay, dependencies tag basically I need to add, and in that dependencies, first dependency I'm going to add which is named as a Selenium. Then second dependency I have to add which is named as a Selenium Java. So for that, what exactly I have to do, guys? Again I need to navigate my folder, and here again I need to write down what, guys, Cucumber with Cucumber with Java. This is a name basically I'm going to search, and you can see, guys, you have to select this thing. Which one? io.cucumber. This is an official site we have. So once this is done, I'm just navigating this term and I'm just adding this version over there. Okay, I'm going to add this version over here, guys. Okay, once I'm here where in the pom.xml file. Okay, once I'm done with this thing, guys, then another and last dependency I have to add which is named as a Cucumber JUnit. So for that also, what exactly I need to do? I need to search Cucumber JUnit version. I have to search. Okay, once I'm searching this thing, here you can see, guys, you just, so what exactly we have to do here? Cucumber with an JUnit. Simple, you need to go to the where, guys, here where is the IO thing? Here you can see this official website you have to choose, and here I'm just again selecting 7.11.2 version. I'm just copying this version, and what exactly I'm trying to do? I'm going to add the dependencies over here. Once you are done with this adding all this dependency, you just need to, what you have to do, guys, you just need to add the steps over here. What you have to do, guys, that steps you have to add. Okay, now the build compilation is going on, guys. Okay, once your build compilation is done, then what exactly we have to do, guys? We have to create we have to create some files over here. What files basically we have to create, that part also we are going to learn shortly. Okay, now what exactly we are trying, I want to tell you, guys. Now here you can see this is my now we are going to discuss about what, guys? Feature file, because first of all we have to create the feature file. Now how to create a feature file, that part also we are going to learn. So here in this Java folder, which Java folder? In the test Java folder, I'm going to create the one more folder over here which is named as a package, and I'm going to create feature folder. I'm going to create over here. Okay, once I created the feature folder, again inside this I'm going to create the one of the file which is named as a feature file. Suppose I want to perform the simple home page like URL you want to access, so that feature file you have to create. So I'm just creating what, guys? Home page or what, guys? Yeah, home page. This is a feature we have, home page, home dot feature. I'm going to add the thing over here. Okay, so suppose homepage is the feature of our application and you want to access that thing. So I'm just creating the feature file. So home dot feature extension I must need to add. Once this is done, here you can see, guys, I'm just going to add the home dot feature file. Now the point over here is, guys, what is meant by the feature file. So I'm going to tell you that part as well. The feature file is an essential segment of the Cucumber tool which is used to write acceptance step for automation testing. It means, guys, so feature file is very important and crucial steps over here, and with the help of this feature file you can simply what, guys, automate the thing. You can simply add the steps of the Cucumber basically. Okay, acceptance state generally follow the application specification. You might know about the manual testing, guys. Usually your acceptance steps generally follow the application specification. The feature file is an entry point to write the Cucumber test and use as a live document at the time of the testing. So with the help of the feature file, guys, what exactly we are going to do? We are like, with the help of this feature file, this is an entry point basically we have, because we are going to write down our acceptance criteria into the feature file. The extension of the feature file is a dot feature. Like each functionality of the software must have the separate feature file. It means, guys, if you are having a home page feature, if you are having a login feature, if you are having a sign up feature, if you are having a fund transfer feature, you can take an example of the banking website fund transfer feature. So each and every feature you are having the separate feature file. So that is why you must need to add this feature file over here. Now again, if I'm going to open my project, here you can see, guys, you will get a one thing over here, enable the project. So what exactly you have to do? Now you need to go to the file option and you need to go to the settings option. Once you go to the setting option, again you have to click on the plugins, and you can see, guys, you must need to add the Cucumber for Java plugin and Gherkin plugin. These two plugins you must need to add. So how to add? Simple, just so what exactly you have to do? Go to the marketplace and search what, guys, is Cucumber for Java. This plugin you have to search. Okay, and once search, you have to click on the install button. Okay, and here you can see, guys, enable options we have. Then the second thing we have, which is named as a gerking. Okay, gerking, this is a feature basically we have. You must have to add this feature as well. So this is how basically these two things you have to add. What two things, guys? Gerking and Cucumber for Java. These two plugins you have to add. Once you added this plugin, what you have to, it means this plugin you have to install in an IntelliJ IDEA. Once you install this thing, simple, you have to click on the supply button and you have to click on the where, guys, on the OK button. Once we added the plugin, here you can see, guys, beautiful Cucumber logo also you can see over here. You can see. So this is the advantage of this thing, guys. Okay. So, and this is what exactly I want to tell you about the feature file. Now once we are done with the feature file, what next? Okay. Now we are going to learn about the what, guys, what is meant by the gerking language, because you might heard we installed the gerking plugin in the IntelliJ IDEA, but what is meant by the gerking? So gerking is nothing but this is a language basically we have. So whenever we are going to write down the script in a Cucumber, we must need to use the gerking language. The language in which these executable test scripts are written is known as a gerking language. Okay, basically gerking is a plain English text language used to interpret and execute the test script. So with the help of this gerking language, guys, this is a simple English plain text language, and this language interpreted and executed the test scripts. Okay, gerking offer a common set of keywords in the plain English text. Okay, so basically your gerking basically offered you, giving you the feature and functionality, like you can write down your scripts in a simple plain language. Yes, guys, this is correct thing. You can able to write down your test scripts in a simple plain text language, English text language. Okay, so this is meant by the gerking language. Okay, now the point over here is, sir, like how the thing, what the thing basically we have to write down in a log, like in a home dot feature file, and how to use the gerking language. Okay, I'm going to tell you, guys. So gerking language is provided us the some of the keywords basically. Your gerking offer the some keywords. What are those? Feature keyword, scenario keyword, given keyword, when keyword, then keyword. This keyword basically we have to use. Now first keyword, what is the meaning of the feature keyword? Here you can understand what is meant by the feature keyword. Okay, so each feature file of a Cucumber testing start with a feature keyword. So whenever we are going to write down the anything in a feature file, we must need to start with a feature keyword. It is a standalone unit or functionality to be tested. So feature keyword define what kind of functionality we are going to test. For example, login feature, payment transfer feature, registration feature. Now guys, here you can see I'm going to show you the demo. how basically we have to add the thing. So here you can see guys, I'm simply going to add the feature over here. Which feature I'm going to test? Homepage feature. Okay, homepage homepage feature. Okay, this is the feature basically I'm going to test. Okay, once this is done, now you can add the description over here. This is the this this feature, sorry, this feature deal with the all components, sorry, my bad, components, all components. This feature will define the all components of your application. Okay, application. Okay, this is how basically we can add the thing over here. Okay, so this is how basically feature keyword we have to define. Once we are done with the feature keyword guys, now we are going to learn about the next keyword, which is named as a scenario keyword. Now what is meant by the scenario keyword? Just try to understand. Each feature contains the required number of a test to test the feature. So guys, whenever we are going to test anything, either we have to create a test case or we have to create the scenario. So basically scenario keyword, what is defined? Each feature contains the required number of tests to test the feature. It means guys, whenever we want to define our test cases, so that time we have to define the scenarios over here. Each test is named as a scenario. So how to define that scenario? That part also we are going to write down. So simple, I'm going to write down scenario keyword over here, and I'm going to write down verify. Okay, verify home page, verify uh, home page of the application. Okay, this is a simple text I'm going to provide over here. Okay, when this is how the scenario we have to provide. Okay, now another keyword we have to use. What another keyword we have to use guys? Given keyword. Now what is meant by the given keyword? So basically one of the most popular keywords we have in a cucumber basically, which is named as a given, when, then. Now what is meant by the given? So this keyword refer to the preconditions of the test. So whenever we want to define the precondition of our test, that time we have to use the given keyword. Now guys, in a test ng, like precondition, it means guys, like in each and every test cases, you have to open the URL. Okay, this is meant by the precondition, right guys? So simple, whenever we want to define the preconditions of our application, that time we have to define those steps. Okay, like in a test ng, basically we have to use the @ before annotation. So same kind of behavior performed by this given keyword. So this is the mean by the given keyword. Like here you can see guys, now I'm going to write down given keyword over here. What given keyword? I navigate what guys, to the home page. Okay, this is the thing basically I'm just giving over here. This is the verification basically I'm going to perform over here. Once this given keyword over here, then what is the next guys? Here you can see we have to use the another keyword, which is named as a when keyword. It usually refer to the actions of the user that is to be executed. So whenever we want to perform any kind of action, that time we have to use this when keyword. So it usually refer to the action of the user. You can see guys what exactly we have to do now. After the given keyword, we have to use the when keyword over here. Okay, so what exactly we have to do now? The normal scenario over here is we want to verify the homepage of our application. Suppose I'm using the rediffmail.com website. I need to verify. I need to click on this forward password link, and then I need to verify the title of this page. Okay, this action I need to perform. I need to perform the when keyword over here, and I'm going to perform navigate forgot password link. Okay, and this is the when keyword we have to write down over here. And once your when keyword is done, then what is the last keyword we have to write down, which is named as a then keyword. So basically what is named as the then keyword? This keyword refer to the outcome of the previous steps of the upcoming action. Like what kind of outcome basically you will get, that you have to verify. So in simple text, I would like to tell you guys, given keyword we have to use like whenever we want to define the preconditions. Second one is about the when keyword. When keyword, it means whenever you want to perform some actions on the application, that time we have to use the when keyword. And about the then keyword, we have to use like whatever outcome basically you will get. And whenever you want to apply some kind of assertion, that time then keyword you have to use guys here. Okay, so how to write down the then keyword here in simple text, in simple term I would like to write down the then keyword. So simple, what you have to do guys, you have to write down the then keyword over here, and I should be, I should see forgot password page. Okay, once I click on this forgot password link, I should see the forgot password page guys. It means I should be landed on the forgot password page. This is what guys my normal scenario we have. Now what exactly I'm trying to do guys, let me quickly run these steps. Okay, so here you can see guys, I'm simply running these steps and you can see what will happen. You can see guys, my project is building over here, and you can see my test cases are going to fail, and it is showing you have to define the step definition file. Now what is mean by the step definition file guys? Okay, so step definition file is nothing but whenever you want to run your test cases in a Cucumber, you have to write down the main code in a step definition file. So for that, what exactly we have to do guys, simple, I'm going to create the one more package over here which is named as a what guys, a steps package I'm going to create. Okay, this package I'm going to create, and here I'm going to create the class name. The class name is home page, home steps definition. Okay, definition, this class basically I just created over here. Once I'm done with this class creation guys, what exactly I have to do guys, I need to define this code. Like here the given when then code we have, simple, I need to copy this code. This is the beauty of the Cucumber, like what code basically you have to write down, that code also generated by whom guys, by your Cucumber. So here I'm simply providing this terms where guys, here. Okay, and once this is done, here you can see you need to import, sorry, you need to import this given when and then keyword over here once you copy the code. Okay, and once this is done, you can remove this code as well guys. This is a by default generated code because we don't need to require over here, this code we don't need to require, and let me remove this code. Okay, once this is done, now what exactly we have to do guys, now in a given keyword we have to write down the preconditions. Like what preconditions we have to write down, which Chrome driver we have to use, then their property, their argument. So here at the publicly I'm going to define public static web driver, this variable I'm going to define semicolon. When this is done, I'm simply copying the code guys and I'm simply pasting over here. Okay, so this is a by default code basically we have in my local machine. So this is the code basically I defined. Once like this is the code, what does it mean guys, here I'm just setting the property of the Chrome driver, and this is the code basically prerequisite I define over here. Okay, once this is done, then what guys, here one more prerequisite we have, driver dot get method we have to use, and I need to open the particular what guys, website over here. Which website I need to open, this readymail.com website we have to open. So for that, what exactly I'm trying to do, simply I'm just copying this URL and I'm just pasting where guys, in a in my repository. Okay, uh, here in the get method I just need to paste this URL. Once I'm pasting this URL, then what is our second scenario? What is our second scenario? Here you can see guys, your method name and everything basically automatically created over here. Now what is the second scenario you have to create? This is the second scenario, actionable item. So you must need to define what guys, you must need to navigate the forgot password link. So what exactly you have to do, you must need to navigate what is the XPath of this forgot password link. So here we can say I'm just inspecting this stuff and I'm checking, okay, this is the forgot password text we have. So double F a double forward slash a text I'm going to use is equal to in single quote, and here I'm going to cover the single quote, and here you can see guys, this is not a tag, it is a U tag. Okay, sorry for my bad thing. And here you can see guys, my web element is properly located over here. Once this is done, now what exactly we have to do guys, simple, I need to write down over here what I have to write down, driver dot find element method I have to use, by dot XPath I have to use. I need to provide this XPath over there. Let me copy the XPath one more time and let me paste it that XPath over here, and I need to click on the click method. Okay, I have to click on this click method. Okay, once this is done, okay, once this is done, what exactly we have to do guys, simple, I'm just navigating that XPath. And once this is done, so this is the prerequisite you define. In the when conditions, you define what, guys, actionable item you want to perform. And once this is done, now you want to perform some assertion, like it is properly navigating or not. So what exactly I'm trying to do, I'm just performing the assertion, like I'm just performing the text over here. So what is the text we are getting? Password help assistant, this text we have getting. Okay, guys, so what exactly I'm trying to do, I'm just simply write down over here assert over here. Okay, assert here I'm going to use assert dot what, guys, assert equals, sorry, assert equals method we have to use. And here I'm going to write down driver dot get title, whatever title basically we have getting, that title we have to use password space help space assistant assist assistance. Okay, this is the title basically we have to give, guys. Okay, and this is why, this is how basically we are performing the assertion over here. So this is an what, guys, outcome basically we are verifying. Once this is done, here you can see, guys, I'm going to apply thread dot sleep, so you can able to see what things are happening over here. Okay, and let me apply the terms. Okay, so when this is done, now I'm going to run my test case, guys, where from the feature file. Again, I'm going to run my test case, and you can see, guys, it is properly working or not, that also we are going to verify. So it's building my code, and here you can see my test is running, and again it is going to fail because, guys, we haven't added test runner class. Now what is the need of the test runner class in our project basically? Because, guys, your Cucumber is by default using the JUnit framework, and right now we are trying to run our class on the Java framework, and that is why it is not happening. So you can see what is meant by the test runner class. So we have to define the test. It's time to run our test. But before we do that, we must add a class for running our test. Cucumber uses a JUnit framework to run, so we need to have a test runner class in our framework, and based on that only we can able to run our test. Okay, so how to create that part, that also I'm going to tell you. So what exactly you have to do, guys, just click over here, just create the one more package over here which is named as a runner. Once you create a package, inside this runner class, just create a one more class which is named as a test runner class. Okay, once you create this test runner class, guys, what exactly we have to do? Above this test runner class, we have to use one more annotation with which is named as the @run with annotation we have to add, guys. Okay, @run with annotation we have to add, and inside this we have to pass, guys, what Cucumber class we have to add. Which class we have to call? Cucumber dot class we have to call. And then later on we must need to add the @cucumber option feature annotation. So Cucumber option feature, it provides you the different options of the Cucumber. So you can see, guys, what exactly I'm trying to do. I just need to provide the bracket over here, parenthesis I need to provide, and then we need to add the two more annotation. First one is a feature and second one is a glue. Now here you can see, guys, this is a run with annotation we have. This class will use to JUnit @run with, which tells the JUnit what is the test runner class. It means what is the test runner class we have and what exactly we have to provide. This Cucumber option annotation is provided as the different Cucumber annotation. Now first keyword we are going to use, which is named as a feature keyword. So feature keyword basically defined to you, guys, what exactly it is defining, where is your feature pass. Like, guys, whenever we are trying to run any Cucumber class, so first of all, to understand where is our step definition file and where is our feature file, how basically it is identifying with the help of this test runner class and with the help of this Cucumber options class. So here I'm going to add the path of my feature file. So where is my path? So I'm going to right click over here. I'm just copying the reference of this file over here, and let me copy the path. And once I copy the path, let me paste it over here. Okay, and once this is done, let me remove this double forward slash into this single forward slash. Okay, and what exactly I'm trying to do is you have to just give the path from here, where, guys, from this src. This is how the path you must need to give. And once this is done, this is the feature path basically you provide. Once you are done with this thing, guys, what exactly you have to do, you need to provide the comma over here, and then another annotation we have to use, which is named as a glue. Now glue, like, whenever we want to identify the feature files, that time feature keyword we have to use, and glue option, whenever we want to identify where is my step definition file, that time basically we have to use this glue feature. Now again, I'm just copying this home step definition file. I mean to say, I'm just copying the path of this file. And once I'm copying the path of this file, here you can see guys, I just need to use this thing here. And what exactly I'm trying to do, guys, J, and I'm just providing the terms stuffs over here. So this is how basically we have to add the path file. And once this is done, guys, now Cucumber will easily find out where is my step definition file and where is my home feature file. And again, I need to go to the home feature file, and you can see guys, if I'm going to run my program, you can see guys what exactly happened. Now I can able to run my program successfully. Here you can see guys, now finally I can able to run my program successfully, and this is what exactly I want to tell you guys over here. And you can see guys, my test is also is going to pass over here. You can see this is how the thing basically I want to tell you. Here you can see my test is passed, and this is my, like, all steps are passing over here. So this is how basically we have to create the project, Selenium project, with a Cucumber framework. This is the thing basically I want to tell you guys. Thanks for watching.